Oh man. I gotta tell my boy about this. Call Willington Bagaga.
Let's do it.
Hey, what's up, man? Man, this is loud. Okay. Hey, so real quick, before we get started with this phone call, how's the quality?
It's pretty good.
All right, good, because I can hear you loud and clear. I might need to turn this down a bit, actually. But it's good, because it's probably coming through my microphone, because you being recorded right now. Hey, but I wanted to tell you, man,
right.
I remember our conversation last night, and one of my G's on my channel commented about the LG Tone Free's. You know how I talked about, like, I couldn't control the volume or the tracks. He asked me if you could do it through Google Assistant, and so I decided to just give it a shot. And dude, it does way more than that. It does that and then some. So you can actually skip the tracks forward just by pressing and hold.
Okay.
You press and hold and just tell it what you want it to do. Either lower the volume by 50%, 20%, or just turn it down, and it will turn it down a notch, or go the other way up. You can turn up the volume that way too. You can skip tracks, replay songs, or ask it to play whatever playlist, like whatever Google is capable of doing on your phone, because it's actually attached to your phone at this point, it does.
That's what I was telling you, man. I just love how integrated they are with Google. Like, you can literally do everything. And like I told you, I'm wearing mine right now. That's how I'm talking to you. So I hope you can hear me.
Oh, dude, yeah, the call quality is excellent, man. I didn't realize you was wearing yours. That's what's up, man. Dude, I didn't know the integration went that deep with Google, but I mean, the Google Assistant stuff, it knows what you need and it gives it to you.
I thought about it, but I hadn't tried it. You know, just talking to Google and telling him to just, or her, whoever voice you use, to, you know, change tracks and skip and do all of that. And volume too.
You literally press and hold that button just like you would do, you know, whatever. And you say, raise the volume or turn it up. Like, you can talk to it like a regular person. I just say turn it up and it turns it up, just like one click or down one click. And sometimes I've said, sweet, repeat that song, and then it'll just repeat the song, bro. It's nice, man. This is so good, man. Hey, I got, like, I don't know, 4 sets of earbuds here, man. They got the open ear and the closed ear earbuds, and they all sound fantastic. And like I said, I was trying to decide, like, which ones I'm gonna keep using. I got them in my ears right now. I'm just gonna keep using these because these are all day earbuds. I know the battery life is 6 hours per charge, but you got a 21-hour deal, and then you got the fast, like 5 minutes, gives you an hour worth of charge.
You know, actually about that, like the 6 hours per charge. So what I do, like I told you before, like when I'm at work, I usually will just use just the one earbud. Like right now, I only have the one in.
Oh.
But so what that means is, actually yesterday I got about 8 hours, probably because I just mainly listen to people talking, like audiobooks and stuff like that. And then at 8 hours, I just switch that one out, take it out, and put the second one in the other earbud. So I don't even have to charge at all. Like, the whole day is done with on the same, like, that's just easy.
I get it. So you can get up to 12 hours if you just rocking with one ear all day. Like, you could do the right ear for the first half of the day, and then the left ear for the second half.
Yes.
That's what's up.
Like, literally, that's what I did yesterday.
Wow, dude, that is all right, man. LG swung for the fences on this one, man. The call quality is excellent. I didn't even realize you were on yours.
Yeah.
I thought you had just picked up your phone.
Actually, you are being recorded too.
Oh, you recording me right now? Hey, man, I'm just gonna turn this into the video, man. This is the video. No editing, no nothing. I might chop it up a little bit, but.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna call me, but so I just got out my action cam, the Osmo Action, and I just have it recording my face talking to you.
Oh man, this is good.
That's what we do, YouTubers.
This is that hashtag YouTuber life right there, man. Just turn on the camera. Hey man, I wasn't even expecting to do a video on this today, but when I found out, shout out to my man that told me that on the other video.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is like
nice when they do that.
This is game changing right here, man. Like, wow. Cause dude, I'm really impressed, dude. I'm really impressed. These I'm serious. I got 4 sets of earbuds. I don't want to name the companies or nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because I really like those earbuds, but I'm choosing these right now, man. These are gonna stay in my ear all day.
I think they have me won over, at least for right now. I'm just using them all the time.
Yeah, I've been an LG fanboy for a minute, but this right here, this solidifies the relationship. 2 emoji hands up for LG in the comment section, because it's going down inside of these earbuds. They got all this smart stuff going on. Yeah, I'm digging it, man. But I don't want to keep you all day, man. Plus, I got to end this video at some point. All right, brother, man. You be good, man. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?